Nokia X30 Eco-friendly mogile, made with 100% recycled aluminum and 65% recycled plastic, Nokia X30 delivers our smallest eco-footprint to date and brings premium features. Display: 6.43-inch AMOLED FHD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. Smartphone size to fit better in your hand and pocket, protected by the toughest Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Security: Nokia X30 comes with 3 years of monthly security updates, so you can enjoy all its latest features with peace of mind. Sustainability and longevity: 3-year warranty squared and delivers 3 OS upgrades. Superscript 1 Plus, it's designed for everyday life, with a robust metal frame and a tough display. Night Mode 2.0. Advanced night mode to capture a clean, natural, and balanced night view with breathtaking details. Now you can shoot, edit and share on selected Nokia phones with the GoPro Quick app. Encrypt your connection, more privacy and more security. ExpressVPN access for free, for 30 days. Allowing you to encrypt your connecting. Nokia X35 specification.